Thank you is the least I can say to you to show my appreciation for everything you have done for me. Thank you, I will forever be grateful to you for your help. Thanks so much for being there on my side and supporting me all through. Without you, my life would have been incomplete. Sometimes the simplest things means the most. This is from my heart to thank you for everything you have done for me, for all the times I forgot to tell you how I feel about you and how happy I am that you are in my life. Saying thank you is not enough to capture the gratitude of my heart towards your warm kindness towards me. So thank you.